What's up, guys, and welcome back to Bolt Action Ballistics. Today we are out here with my 6.5 Grendel. This is the How Mini Action, and we got this big chunk of wax here. I did a video earlier with the 9mm. We had a hollow point all copper bullet. Didn't really do that much damage to it, but we did get full expansion on that bullet. And today we are loaded up with a 120 grain Nosler E-tip. We're going to see what kind of damage this will do. This chunk of wax is roughly 4 inches thick and 9.5 inches across, and we are going to be shooting lengthwise through this thing. And I think one shot with the 6.5 Grendel is going to finish this thing off. So let's have a little bit of fun and go ahead and shoot it and see what happens. I also do want to say we got ballistics gel coming to the channel, so don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. So let's see what happens with this chunk of wax with the 6.5 Grendel. Have a little bit of fun. It's been windy and rainy the last few days, so I didn't get out to do as many videos as I wanted to, but here's a close look at the Nosler E-tip, 120 grain. Hopefully we can get a good hit on this chunk of wax. It's only 4 inches thick. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Yeah, it definitely blew it apart. Let's go check it out. Okay, wow, check this out. So I picked up all the pieces that I could find, and we got a fairly decent hit. Check this out. You can see how the bullet was rotating through the wax. That's some pretty wild stuff. That's pretty detailed, how you can see that, how the bullet was rotating, twisting through the wax. That's pretty wild. So as far as penetration, we went through that chunk of wax and hit right there. 3/4 inch pieces of wood, and it looks like we're stuck to this 2x6, and right there's our bullet. Check that out. Stuck in there pretty good. Let me get that out of there so we can take a better look. Okay, I got the bullet dug out of there, and here's the expansion we got on that 120 grain Nosler E-tip. We didn't quite get the expansion that I thought we were going to get, but we still got decent expansion, I guess. So 9.5 inches of wax this bullet went through. Some pretty wild looking rotation of the bullet there. And 3 boards, 3/4 inch thick of pine, and stuck into this 2x6. So that's some pretty wild stuff. Okay, so that's some pretty cool results on a bullet, all copper bullet versus wax. It's pretty cool how you can see the rotation of the bullet going through that wax. That's pretty awesome. So now all we'll have to do is mount this all back down, maybe add a bunch more to it, and we're good to go for another video. But like I said, we got ballistics gel coming to the channel. Hopefully that'll get delivered here soon. I got it on order. It hasn't showed up yet. But those will be some future videos. Stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys on the next one.